guys, we have made it to Fredericksburg. Hit a little hiccup because we do not have any water. It's frozen, which is quite scary, but that's okay. We have heat, we have power, all the other essentials. So now we're just walking around the grounds and looking at all the rooms and deciding who goes where. I'm so excited for this trip and adventure, and we will see how the cold days ahead go. So we just got dinner at Mac's Barbecue, and now we are walking around the town of Fredericksburg. We're in this cute little main plaza area. It's so cute and pretty, and love it. It is freezing though, so I'm ready.
One night away, jingle bells. To go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Well, hi, I just been out shopping, got me some vanilla, really enjoying myself.
Hey guys, right now we are preparing for the pair and share, which is an opportunity to pair a drink and food item together, and then we're gonna go to every person's individual room and try them, and then at the end we vote which option we like the best. So let's go see how everyone's preparing all their meals together.
Yeah, we're getting ready for our pair and share.
안녕하세요.
It started dark and it's going lighter.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle.
Good morning. Merry Christmas. It is Christmas morning. I am up. It is 7 a.m. and I'm about to start cooking Christmas breakfast. So let's go. Come on.
One package of sausage.
Yeah, I have another. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I swear
Knew it rock on any block.
Good morning, everyone. We are out at Enchanted Rock State Park. We are doing the Summit Trail. It's an out and back trail. It's about 0.8 miles to 1.3 miles, depending on what source you're looking at. But so far, it's been beautiful. It's really pretty out here. I'm with my family, so we do keep on stopping to take pictures. So I don't know how fast we're gonna go, but we're gonna make it to the top.
Hola, team.
And it's up there. Yay.
I fit in there.
At least it's not freezing cold. Hi guys, we have not made it to the top. I don't think we're gonna go all the way to the top because we're sort of pooped. As you can see, keep on walking and we're just like, it's just not in my vision for today. So we're just gonna stop here. But it is gorgeous. And I'm so happy we came here and did this. Guys, there's nothing that makes me my heart more happy than to share something I love with my family, and that's hiking. I don't do it that often anymore, but I still love being out in nature and hiking and just seeing the beauty of the world around me. And it's so fun to share this passion with my family, and I'm so happy they were able to experience that. It's a video. Hey guys, since we've gotten back from hiking, we had a praise and worship ceremony, talked about biblically the meaning of Christmas and the origins behind the Christmas tree and giving gifts and Santa Claus and all that stuff. Now we are walking down and we're gonna go see the emus and the donkeys. I'm sort of scared, but my family's right there. I'm ahead of them. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah.